Hi YouTubers, and welcome to this video. It is going to be really quick. I just want to let you guys know that me, Amy Alton, a nurse practitioner, and my husband, Dr. Joe Alton, a medical doctor, are going to be on a live YouTube video tonight. You can chat with us. You can ask us questions. What's the topic? Of course, the hot topic is coronavirus or COVID-19. We're going to be here to explain what's going on, what's the latest stats, what can you do to take care of yourself if you have to take care of someone at home. And again, make sure you stick around because we're going to be answering questions. The channel you need to go to is PrepperNet. That's the YouTube channel. It's called PrepperNet. If you want to subscribe, great. They'll give you an update at 9 o'clock. We go live. Refresh your screen if you're sitting there waiting for it to come up. You will see us live. We're going to talk about this, answer your questions. Please join us tonight. It is Thursday tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks.